Kickstarting a royal feast with chicken party wings. Defrosting first, air fryer at 400 degrees for 4 minutes. Wave goodbye to excess water, ensuring crispy wings for that perfect crunch. Next, cook them for 10 minutes. Halfway there, flip those wings and back they go for another 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Finale time. Pull out the golden goodness and let's season with King Poppy mild wing seasoning. Time to eat like a king. Savor the royal flavor in every bite. With King Poppy, every meal is a feast fit for a king. Order now at kingpoppy.com.